Hello everyone, so this is Kumar. I am currently pursuing my B.Sc psychology final year. So my research thesis is all about, it's a comparative study first of all. So my study is about, it's a comparative study on the level of resilience among introverts and extroverts. So basically the variables that I have selected for the study are personality traits. So that is, I have selected out of other personality traits, I have particularly selected only two, introversion, extroversion. So that one can be considered as my independent variable. Well, the second one is resilience. I am taking resilience as the second variable, which is dependent variable. So the samples that I have selected for the study were young adults. So they were their age ranging from 18 to 25 respectively. And so the samples that I have collected from, so the geographical location is, it's from a private university, which is right now the university that I am currently studying. So Dr. M.G. Research Institute University. And so the research design that I have opted for the research study is quantitative research study. As quantitative, that word quantitative clearly says that it's a numerical data, so where the analyzing the numerical data will happen. The questionnaires that I have selected for the study, so based on my variables are Eysenck's personality, which is for personality, introversion, extroversion, and for resilience I have selected brief resilience scale. So for Eysenck's, it consists of out of 90 items, I have secluded only 21 items, while for resilience there is only 6 items available. Then so the ultimate purpose of conducting the study is I want to find out the level of resilience among introvert and extrovert sample population. I really want to see whether there is a significant difference between these two groups, like the resilience between these two groups. So that's why I've used statistical analysis. So that is t-test. So t-test is nothing but it is used to it's a type of statistical t-test, test which is used to compare the means of two groups. Here I am comparing the introverts and extroverts means. So from the results of comparison, I have finally got the result that there is no significant difference in the level of resilience among introverts and extroverts. And this study can be further opted by other researchers in future. They can use my research study as a basic fundamental study for making intervention studies or giving training modules in selecting various population, age group population, minority communities, etc. So thank you guys.